Alright, so I've gotten cleaned up and I figured I might as well make another video because this is actually going to be my first attempt to go get groceries on this bike. I've gotten groceries on a bike for years now. I only recently started driving again, but I figured I'd go through my setup and see how it goes. Hopefully I was actually in frame there. So we got the good old Trek e-bike that I'm building. So we got a $3,500 e-bike pulling a $20 crusty thrift store trailer. Went through and cut all the extra straps and flaps and all that nonsense out of it. Zip tied the bottom back in and then mounted the hitch, which is quite hard to see. See if I can get a view of it. There's a stack of washers I had to put back there to make it clear the frame. But it's hooked up and it's pretty stable, so yeah. I wasn't planning on making another video today, but I really need to get some practice in and get used to it and get comfortable talking to the camera. So we'll take this out. Got some GoPro mounts on the bike for getting some footage there. I've got another one here that points back kind of like this, so you'll be able to see the gears shifting and the trailer being pulled behind, see the road moving by. It's a pretty cool shot. But let's see if we can get some groceries without getting run over. Alright, back from the grocery store and got an entire trailer full of veggies. Mostly veggies. So this is probably, let's see, probably close to 60 pounds of groceries. And the bike pulled it pretty easily. Even without the battery on, without any extra help, I could get around 10 miles an hour pulling this, which with bike and groceries is probably close to 150 pounds right now, plus my weight. So I'd say the average person could reasonably get all their groceries on a bicycle with a trailer within a couple of miles. It's, I think, a mile to the nearest grocery store. So no problems, tow's just fine. The hitch that I rigged up very lazily seems to have held just fine. Yeah, nothing really to say about it, which is kind of a good thing. It just worked. Got my groceries here. My zip tie's held until I can get the new coverings on. I did get a little footage of the trailer on a brick road, so we'll see what that looks like. May or may not include it. But yep, gonna go unload this, make some food, tinker, maybe edit this video real quick and throw it up. Yeah, actually show you neighborhood real quick. So we got my truck. That's a whole nother project that I'm working on. And then some of the buildings around. Can't really see it, but behind those trees is a gorgeous, basically a castle. So maybe I'll show that at some point. Though I'm not too fond of people knowing where I live, so we'll see. Yep, e-bike grocery run. Uneventful, just the way I like it.